Let's solve this question. Which of the following compounds is an isomer of butane? And they gave us these options. Now, to solve this question, we need to remind ourselves what an isomer is. Isomers will have the same molecular formula, but different structural formula or arrangement of atoms. Okay, so we would need to find the molecular formula of butane. Butane is a class of hydrocarbon known as alkane. And alkanes have a general formula of CnH2n plus 2. That is the general formula for alkanes, where the N represents the number of carbon atoms. Now, But, this is a prefix for 4 carbon atoms. So that means that the N is 4. So C4H, 2 times 4 is 8 plus 2, 10. Meaning that the general formula for butane is C₄H₁₀. So we're going to simply go through the options and look for the one that has the same molecular formula. So starting with option A, Pent is the prefix for 5 carbon atoms. So this A cannot be your answer because that already tells us from the word Pent that this compound has 5 carbons. So it cannot be the same as butane. B, we have 2-methylpropane. That's an alkane, which means that the general formula can still be applied to this. Okay? It's only that the structure is different. Why the butane is C, 4 carbons, and then we're going to use hydrogens to complete the 4 bonds. Carbon must have 4 bonds around it, okay? So using hydrogen, complete that 4 bond. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. This one will need 2 hydrogens as well, and this will need 3 hydrogens to make it 4. So that is butane, N-butane, straight chain butane. Now, the 2-methylpropane, prop is 3 carbons. So we start with the 3 carbons connected to each other. And on carbon 2, you have another carbon chain. The methyl group is 1 carbon branch. So that is on carbon 2. Now, we've accounted for all the carbons. As usual, complete the bonds around carbon atoms with hydrogens. So the hydrogen, this makes 4 bonds around this carbon. This already has 3 bonds, so we'll add 1 hydrogen. This one will have 3 hydrogens, and then this one. So once all the hydrogens are completed, we have 4 bonds around each carbon. You count the number of carbon, you see it's 4. That matches what we have here. Count all the hydrogens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this matches the molecular formula, and that should be our answer. Now for butene, from this functional group, you can tell that that is not the same. Butene has a general formula of CnH2n. And But represents 4 carbons, and if you replace this N with 4, it's going to give us C4, 2 times 4 is 8, H8. So you can see this is not the same as C₄H₁. So that cannot be the answer. Cyclobutane would have the carbons in a cyclic form like this. Because each of the carbons already have 2 bonds, you need 2 hydrogens each to complete them. So if you count the carbons, it's 4, but the hydrogen is 8, which is the same as the butene. So butene and cyclobutane would be isomers because they both have 4 carbons and 8 hydrogens, but they are not isomers of butane. So that also is not the answer. So the only answer that matches the butane molecular formula, or the only one that is the isomer of butane amongst this option, would be B, 2-methylpropane. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.